Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. This is one of my Bodge videos to do with the Talbot Express. Now the Talbot Express roof vent light is broken on the inside, and the bit that opens and closes with the insect guard is completely missing. Now I've got to come up with a way of repairing it. Now a lot of people say, well, just buy a new one. The trouble is, if I buy a new roof vent, they don't make the size that it is, and it means I've got to cut a larger hole in the roof. And bearing in mind the roof is fiberglass and you can't walk on the roof, I would have to have scaffold poles across it and planks to work on to make the hole bigger in the van to fit a modern vent skylight. So I've come up with a way of bodging it, basically. And what I've used is, I'll show you what I've done. I've got some of this plastic cladding you can buy. I was given this though, so it doesn't cost me anything. And I've cut it out of the size the original interior bit is in the van. So I've cut that out, and then what I've done, I've hunted round to find a grill, and this is a 9" by 9" grill which can open and close. So there's it open with, there's quite an open mesh inside it, and closed. You slide it across like that. So I've cut this sheet of plastic for the size that fits in where the original one was. I've then cut a hole in the middle to suit the grill I purchased, and then to give it a little bit more strength on the plastic because it flexes, I've put some wood beading on the inside very roughly to strengthen the plastic, and then I've just got to find a way of fitting this onto the original opening on the inside. Now there's still the places for hinges that were on the original plastic one, so what I've done, I've bought a couple of small brass hinges which hopefully will go on there, one there and one there, so it will hinge down like the original one did. And then to hold it in place, I've got these, I don't know what you call these are turn buttons, and I'm hoping that I can have a few of these on the van. I bought 2 packs, so that will hold it shut. I might not even bother with hinges, I might just have these turn things. And this is a fix that will do as a temporary measure, hoping one day I will find a scrap or second-hand vent cover that will fit. But the problem is, with a 27-year-old van, even if I did find another vent cover, you know, that will fit in the van, it's probably as brittle as the original one. So whether this will work, I don't know. It looks quite neat. I might tidy this wood up a bit so it is actually square, so it looks nice. I might paint it, and this bit in the middle is just to give it a bit of extra support because it's quite thin, these vents, and it bends quite easily. So the cost of the vent was £6, 7, 8, 9, so it's under £10 if it all works to do this repair. And it's difficult for me to explain, you know, how it fits until you actually see it. But the problem is we've had something like 5 or 6 days of constant rain, and the van's in storage, and I'd have to go and get it to do some work on it. Hope you like this video so far, and I'll do a part 2 once I've fitted it.